English narration script. The plateau isn't failure, it's evolution. By SealBody Lab. Why isn't it coming off anymore? 3 weeks ago, you were dancing on the scale. Now, you're sighing every time you step on it. The legendary plateau? Nope. Your body hasn't stopped, it's adapting. Today, SealBody Lab reveals the truth. A plateau isn't failure, it's evolution. Your body is quietly upgrading its system. Chapter 1. The body never stops, it just moves differently. Not losing weight doesn't mean your body has stopped. Right now, thousands of things are happening inside you. Heart rate, temperature, hormones, hydration, metabolism. All moving, every second. Life can't be still, movement is life. But we only see one number, the scale. When it freezes, we panic. And we shout, is this thing broken? But according to Metabolic Adaptation Review 2023, your body isn't broken, it's adjusting. Early on, your metabolism runs in emergency mode. Then it shifts to stabilization mode. Think of it like a CPU cooling down before it overheats. Even computers rest, why shouldn't you? Chapter 2. The truth behind the plateau. Metabolic adaptation. At the start of a diet, your body says, "What's this? Less calories? Burn everything." Weight drops fast. But after a few weeks, it realizes, oh, this human's serious about this. Then comes the meeting inside your body. Alright team, switch to power saving mode. That's metabolic adaptation. You used to burn 2,000 kilocalories a day. Now you survive on 1,700. You're tightening your diet, your body's cutting the electric bill. You're not stalled. You're getting efficient. Bonus: the water illusion plateau. 70% of what feels like a plateau is actually just water weight. Journal of Nutrition 2023 found 1 gram of muscle glycogen pulls in 3 grams of water. So a 1-2 kilograms shift isn't fat, it's water. The number went up, but it's just hydration, not fat. Real progress is measured by rhythm, not days. A day is noise, a week is a pattern. Chapter 3. The mental plateau. Funny thing? The mind stops before the body. Your workout stays the same. But when the scale stalls, you think, nothing's working. Then you snack. Your body's still fighting, but your mind already clocked out. The body keeps fighting, but the mind waves the white flag. And you whisper, okay, last cheat. For real this time. It's been 3 days. SealBody Lab says, a plateau isn't the body's problem, it's the mind's perception. Chapter 4. Signs your body is still evolving. Even in a plateau, your body is working. 1. Muscle preservation mode, keeping strength over fat loss. 2. Hormone rebalancing, resetting leptin, ghrelin, insulin. 3. Metabolic stabilization, tuning cortisol, body temp, sleep rhythm. A plateau is the body catching its breath before the next leap. Your inner CPU says, please don't throw chips at me, I'm calculating. Chapter 5. Breaking the plateau. SealBody Lab 3R system. You don't need harder workouts. You need a better rhythm. 3R system: reset, refeed, relax. Reset your rhythm. Move your meal, sleep, and workout times 1 hour earlier. Small time shifts awaken your metabolic rhythm. Keep it for at least 7 days. By day 3 your energy balances. By day 7 your sleep and appetite align. Adjusting time is resetting your body clock. If you're drinking coffee before your body wakes up, you're already ahead. Refeed: recharge the system. Once a week, add 30-50 grams of carbs. A sweet potato, half a bowl of rice, or 2 slices of whole grain bread. That tells leptin, hey, I'm not starving. Metabolism reactivates. Refeed day: cheat day. This is fuel maintenance, not a food festival. Relax: recovery loop. Sleep 1 extra hour. Sleep and Metabolism Journal 2024 shows that just 1 more hour can raise metabolism by 5%. Put your phone down, dim the lights. That single hour, your fat burning window. That 1 extra episode on Netflix? That's where your fat hides. Summary: reset 7 days. Refeed once a week. Relax 3 days. The 3R system isn't a quick fix, it's a rhythm reboot. Rhythm, not effort, drives transformation. Bonus: what successful plateau breakers share. Behavioral Metabolism Study 2024 found 82% of people who broke through plateaus adjusted their rhythm first, not their diet or workouts. Their secret? Patience. Rhythm is the body's language. It listens to rhythm, not words. Chapter 6. Don't lie to your body, it hears everything. Why can't I lose weight? That thought itself is a stress signal. Stress, cortisol, fat storage. When your mind is anxious, your body saves energy as fat. So yes, your belly is your emergency supply kit. Bonus: the real plateau is in your mind. The real plateau lives in your thoughts. That's good enough. It's useless anyway. Both stop the rhythm. Breaking a plateau isn't about willpower, it's about awareness. So say this instead: I'm not stuck, my body's building a special edition. Q&A time. Q1. Should I cut calories more during a plateau? No. That triggers power saving mode. Add 30-50 grams of carbs instead to reignite metabolism. Q2. Should I train harder? Not necessarily. Overtraining, stress, fat storage. Keep rhythm steady, not intensity high. Q3. Should I weigh myself daily? Know your weight fluctuates 1 to 2 kilograms from water alone. Track weekly averages instead. Q4. The plateau's too long, should I quit? Never. A plateau is an upgrade installing in progress. It looks paused, but it's progress loading. Chapter 9. The conclusion: it's not a stop, it's a shift. Fat loss isn't a straight road. It accelerates, slows down, U-turns, then moves again. The body doesn't fail, it just changes gears. You're not stuck. You're preparing for the next level. Plateau? That's your body evolving. SealBody Lab, designing your rhythm every day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay in rhythm.